student. My name is Gayatri. I am from Coimbatore. I am doing International Yoga Teachers course in Kovai Prana Yoga Center, Corporate Institute, World Skill Council in the batch May to July 2024. Today we are going to see pranayama, meditation, warm-ups, asanas and relaxation. Let's start pranayama. Come to Vajrasana position. Sit in Vajrasana. Left hand and chin mudra, right hand and nasika mudra. Let's start Surya Bedana. Block your left nostril. Inhale your right nostril. Exhale your right nostril. Inhale right, exhale right. Do it as 10 to 15 times. Next start meditation. Come to Sukhasana position. Today we are going to do Mudra meditation. Varuna Mudra meditation. The tip of the little finger touched on the tip of the thumb finger. Remaining fingers are straight. Place it on your thigh. Start the meditation. Fill your surrounding with positivity. Feel the positive vibes in your body and mind. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. அரப்பேராற்றல் இரவுப்பகலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் ஒருவரையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழி நடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. அன்னைக்கு வணக்கம், தந்தைக்கு வணக்கம், ஆசான்களுக்கு அன்பு வணக்கம். Let's start the meditation. Varuna meditation connected with the water glands, water element. In our body, all water glands are getting strengthened. All skin problems are cured. Prevent pimple and dry skin. Focus on this mudra for 5 to 10 minutes. Conclude the meditation. அரப்பேராற்றல் கருணையினா உடல்நலம் மனவளம் நீலாயுள் நிறைசெல்வம் வியப்புகள் மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்வோம். Blessings. Bless the life partner, bless the children, bless the brothers and sisters, bless the friends and relatives, bless the enemies and miscreants with kindness, bless the Kovai Prana Yoga Center, bless Kovai Fitness and Diet Group, bless Kovai Diploma Nature Cure students, bless Prana International Yoga Teachers students, bless who will attend today's meditations. Lifetime Sankalpam. நான் எனது வாழ்நாளில் அனைத்து உடலுக்கும் மனதிற்கும் நன்மையே செய்வேன், நன்மை மட்டுமே செய்வேன். நம் மனதில் அமைதி நிலவட்டும், நம்மை சுற்றிலும் அமைதி நிலவட்டும், உலகம் முழுவதும் அமைதி நிலவட்டும். அமைதி அமைதி அமைதி. Rub your hands 20 times. Place it on your eyes. Do clockwise massage 3 times, anti-clockwise massage 3 times. Again rub your palms. Do upper chest massage. Bring your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms. Feel the laughing Buddha stretch. Take a deep breath. Bring your hands in Anjali Mudra. Near your chest, open your hands. Look at your hands and share the blessings. Now let's start the warm-up. Surya Namaskar, Pranamasana, Hasta Uttanasana back bend, Pada Hastasana forward bend, Ashwa Sanchalanasana, right leg back, Tulipada Ashwa Sanchalanasana,
plank pose. Ashtanga for male, Sasana for females. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Adha Mukha Savasana, downward facing dog pose. Asvasanjalanasana, right leg front. Pada Hastasana, forward bend. Hasta Uttanasana, back bend. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Let's start asanas. Tadasana, mountain pose. Uttira Tadasana, star pose. Sitting. Malasana, garland pose. Pranasana, Makarasana. Makarasana, crocodile pose. Supine. Ardha Halasana, the half flow pose. Relaxation in Savasana for 5 minutes. Thank you.